What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has started rolling out many application updates for the Galaxy phones. This is the S25 Ultra and you can see when I go to the App Store and go to the update section, we have got updates for many different applications and these are some very important updates that we have received. One is for the voice recorder, nothing new, let's go ahead and update it. And surprisingly, we have got a brand new update for Samsung Messages which does not add any new features, but still there is an update here. And the date shows 27 May for some reason. The latest version is 15.7.04.5. I really wish Samsung makes Samsung Messages application officially available on all the Galaxy phones, and I hope they don't discard it completely. Next, we have got an important update for app protection. Let me tell you what this does. This will keep your phone safe by searching for malware and suspicious activity. App protection provides additional defense against viruses and spyware by scanning applications during installation and on a daily basis. Now, this particular application is on the settings menu. You can go to device care. Here is device care. Let me tap on this. And here you will see app protection. Now, this is the application which has got the brand new update. If I go to the three dot button and tap on app protection and again tap on three dot button about app protection, you will see the update option is available right over here. Go ahead and update the app protection, which is very essential for your device. Then we do have update for Samsung Smart Switch, just the bug fixes and improved stability. Go ahead and update that as well. We've got a big list of language updates: Polish, India, Arabic, Indonesian, US English. We got, I think, Russian, Thai voice, Vietnamese, Mexican, Hindi. All these have got updated. And you can also see we have got these three options over here. On-device resources, very important. Let me show you the size of this application. It's 344 MB. The latest version is 3.1.05.16. And this has got a brand new update. What this package does is it provides offline transcription service for all Samsung applications like phone, Bixby, voice recorder, interpreter, and Samsung Voice. And the second one is on-device resources again, but this one is for 23 MB size. And this also provides the language support. And we also have another Samsung on-device resources. And then comes the Samsung Vision model. This is pretty huge. And you can see this has got about 1714.90 MB size for the application. And Samsung Vision model is a model for generative AI based solutions. So very important update. And then comes Samsung AI Core. You need to go ahead and update this as well, again for generative AI based solutions. And then comes this language core option. If I tap on this and check the size, you can see it's 3129.95 MB size of this application. So that's a pretty huge size of this app. And this is a core application on Samsung phone which powers AI features. And this is applicable for many of the Samsung applications. So that's big. And check this out. We have got English Hindi language pack here. This has been added for Indian users. And now you should be able to get the Hindi language support on call screening. Let's go ahead and check that out. You can see the latest version is 2.2.05.1. And let's also update all the other applications here. We should be able to get the Hindi language support on call screening. Let's check that out. Now we have updated all the language packs. Now let's see if call screening got the Hindi language support or not, because this was mentioned on the X post by some of the users saying that the Hindi support has been added on the call screening. Let's go to settings, tap on call screening and tap on language. You can see English India here, but I don't see Hindi here. There is no Hindi language support here, but rest of the languages are supported. Let's also check the call captions. I think call captions did have Hindi before. I'm not very sure, but Hindi is available for call captions. I was hoping that Hindi language was added on call screening, but no, it is not added yet, at least on my device. Now, these are the updates. Then we have also got an update for Edge Writing Plus. This was available a few days ago, and Smart Tutor as well. These are some important updates which Samsung delivered recently, and you must go ahead and update all these applications, especially the app protection, which is very critical, and the language core models, of course, the AI language core models and other language packs. Do go ahead and update them. And for those of you who are using Wallverse application, here is some good news. We did add the video wallpaper section here. You will find very few video wallpapers now, but we'll be adding more of them very soon. Based on your request, we did add the video wallpaper. And for those of you who are not able to use the application properly on those devices where the login issues were found and the apps were, the wallpapers were not loading properly. Now this issue has been fixed because we have just switched our servers to a different server, and now the loading issue has been fixed and you should be able to log in without any issues, especially here in India. Many of you guys have been facing these issues. So go ahead, check out the app again. If you're rated 4-star and below, do go ahead and rate it 5-star on the App Store. If the app is working properly for you guys, do add the rating. That would motivate me to keep coming up with some more wallpapers for you guys. So go ahead and add it. The link for the application is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.